Good morning. Today I am going to teach you sorting and filtering. Let me open Microsoft Word. I have already inserted one table with 5 columns and 4 lines. You can insert table by going into Insert from the menu bar and Tables. You can select as many columns and rows as per your requirement. Now, when you bring your mouse cursor over here, this button will come. When you are clicking here, whole table is selected. Now you can go to layout and you can apply sort. When you are applying sorting, you can see table as it is because it is in ascending order. If you click on descending, you can see all the records are shifted. It started from 3, 2, 1 and the roll number. I selected table by clicking over here. So even the first title line is also selected. So make sure while sorting that you are selecting proper lines. Let me press undo, Ctrl Z. You are able to see table as it is. Now select all the lines properly which you want to apply for sorting. Don't select whole table unnecessarily. Now click on A to Z sort button and apply sorting ascending. You can see table as it is. Now again go back and click on descending order and you can see roll number 3, 2, 1 because we have applied sorting on column number 1. Press Ctrl Z, undo, the table is as it is now. Now you can again select these 3 lines, go to sorting. This time instead of column number 1, I am selecting column number 2. So the sorting will take place into second column from in the second, third and fourth line. Just press OK, ascending order, and you can see Chauhan is coming first, Patel second and again Patel in third line. So records are shifted 3, 1, 2. I am pressing Ctrl Z, undo. So my table is as it is. I am going back again into the sorting, sort by column 2 and what about this line? Then by column 3. So I am selecting column 3. Why? See, you can see column number 2 is having Patel 2 times. Now Sandeep and Manish, which line has to come first? Either Sandeep or Manish. You can see Manish has to come first because ascending order A to Z, Manish, M is coming first and S is coming second. So we are applying sorting on column number 2 known as first sorting and the second sorting on column number 3. Now Chauhan will come first, then Patel Manish will come second and Patel Sandeep will come third. Let's look, just check. By pressing OK, you can see Chauhan Mitali, Patel Manish and Patel Sandeep because I have applied second sorting then by on column number 3. Let me press Ctrl Z to make it as it is. Now you can also go for filtering, but when you are selecting this table, you can see there is no filter option available over here in Microsoft Word. You can go to design, you can check there also. Sorting in the table in Microsoft Word, you can see that sorting icon is available, but filtering icon is not available. So let me make use of MS Excel. Right click, copy, open MS Excel, sheet number 2 and Ctrl V, copy paste. You can see same table is pasted over here. Roll number, surname, name, city, gender, 1, 2, 3 and the record as it is. Now make sure you are selecting properly. So I am selecting A1 to E1 cell and then I am going to filter option. So when I have clicked on filter, you can see drop down list available over here. You can click here and you can select one. First of all, deselect from here and just click one and press OK. First roll number is available in front of you. You can go back and again click here your table will be as it is. You can go to city and just deselect all and select Vadodara. So filtering the record from Vadodara city will be available here. Go back and select all as it is table. You can go to surname and select, first of all deselect and just select Patel. 2 records will be available to you. This is what sorting and filtering all about. Thank you.